Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus or Rising from 27th of April till the 7th 3rd of May, 3rd of May 2026. Please keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you. Even if it does 100%, take the messages as the guidance only, not as a life changing event and decision making. It's your responsibility whatever decisions or actions you guys are going to take based on these readings. Okay, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Virgo, the overall energy for Virgo people for this week, let's see. The overall energy for Virgo people for this week, let's see what we have. So we have the Magician. You can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginnings. So you can manifest the life, but you can manifest whatever you want. You have to have the proper clarity and understanding of what you need and why you need it. And what you need will magically appear if you are going to be crystal clear in your thoughts, in your energies regarding a situation. Successful beginnings are going to be there for you guys in this particular week. Okay, let's see. Let's see the per day messages. For 27th of April, we have the change your life, a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Something is going to be revealed to you, and you are going to feel very, very free. You are going to feel like, okay, this was something that was holding you back. Maybe it's going to bother you for a bit, but this is going to give you the kind of freedom that you want. Break free of procrastination. So you should do something at the time you should be doing it. Any kind of procrastination is not good for you, for your growth and expansion. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Don't be resistant to change, Virgo. Embrace the opportunities that change is going to bring in your life. Okay, 28th, we have the Queen of Ariel. Nurture yourself and those you love. Take care of yourself and the people you love and care for. The ability to make anything more beautiful. Now you have the ability to make anything more beautiful the way you want it. Practical and wise advice. Somebody might end up giving you some kind of practical or wise advice to listen. So listen to that advice, and you can work with that advice in some way. And it's going to be really helpful for you if you are going to listen, if especially if it is coming from a wise person, from a good person, from a good energy. Okay, so think about it. So we have 27, 28, 29th. We have the perspective. There's a better way. You might be stuck in your way or my in my way or highway kind of energy, but there is a better way to see a situation, to understand a situation, to uh, like maybe resolve an issue in your life. Pause for reflection and insight. Take a step back and pause for reflection and insight in a particular situation of your life. Dare to be different. Okay, if you're continuously worried about the so-called society, what people are going to think about you, what your family is going to think about you, what your friends are going to think about you, then you will not be able to move forward. Okay, so dare to be different, Virgo, and move forward. So we have what we have: 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the leap of faith. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself as much as you can. Self confidence is the key here. Listen to your heart. Your heart is going to show you the path of happiness, show you the path of abundance, prosperity, and happiness. So listen to your heart instead of your mind, because your mind might be creating stories and scenarios in your head, and it might be creating some kind of obstacles or challenges. Okay, do what gives you joy. Hmm? Okay, so believe in yourself. Self confidence is the key here for you guys to achieve something really meaningful. Listen to your heart instead of your mind. I think I just explained it to you guys. Do what gives you joy. Follow your heart. Do whatever you feel is right for your happiness, for your heart and soul. So we have 27, 8, 9, 30th. First of May, we have the solutions. Solutions. Success that comes from objective compromise. You guys have to compromise in a certain situation in order to get the kind of success that you want. Self control and patience is the key to achieve something good. I think the whole message for this month, for this week, is to Trust yourself, follow your heart. Dare to be different. Self control and patience, forgiving and healing energy. First of all, start with yourself. Start forgiving yourself, whatever you have done till this point of time, whatever you were not able to do this till this point of your life. So, start this forgiving energy for yourself first, and then start forgiving the people right from your childhood till this point of your life who hurt you or did something horribly wrong with you, and you still, carry their burdensome energy along with you. So forgiving and healing energy is also possible on this particular day if you're going to allow it to happen. Flourish. Yeah. 27, 8, 9, 30. First. 2nd of May, we have the wheel. New beginnings, end of delays, a change in direction that offers happiness. On 2nd of May, you guys are going to feel there is some kind of brand new beginning happening in a particular area of your life. Maybe you guys are going to start a new fitness regime or new career opportunity, starting something brand new on this particular day. There is going to be end of delays, if some kind of delay is happening again and again and again, a change in direction that offers happiness. The moment you are going to change your direction regarding a particular situation, you will be directed towards happiness. Awesome. 3rd of May, we have the Two of Ariel. It's important to have balance. You might be living in extremes right now, Virgo. Either you are doing too much or you are not doing anything at all. You have to find a balance where you are doing everything in a balanced way. Working on multiple jobs or projects at once, so you might be working on so many things at the same time. Even if you're working on one project, you might be doing a lot of things to keep that project going. So you try to make your work fun. Right now it seems like a mechanical kind of a thing, robotic kind of a thing. So try to add some kind of creativity or fun in your work. That's going to lead to happiness, that's going to lead to productivity and success and happiness. Okay, so try to do that. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Virgo. So we have the Seven of Gabriel. Stand up for what you believe in. You guys have to take a stand for yourself, and what you believe in is right for you, right for your growth and expansion. Even if other people are not able to understand your point of view or your journey, have confidence. Have confidence. You guys should have self confidence. This week is all about self confidence, listening to your heart, dare to be different, finding a balance. Claim your personal power. Okay, claim your personal power. Like stand for yourself, stand up for yourself, take a ground for yourself. I don't know what to say. But anyways, claiming your personal power, like you know better than anyone else on this planet earth about your projects and about your things, is going to be a great deal of help for you in the coming future. So for this week, that's what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.